Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Shopify store to another Shopify store. Here's quickly, I will show you the steps. First, make sure your account has a password. Go to my store and click manage account here. Now, head back to the dashboard and click settings, then go to users and permissions. Here's the settings. Here you can see, and just here choose an account. Here's the users and permissions. Now you can see an option called transfer ownership. Click it, then enter the email address of the new store owner, add their name and re-enter your password to confirm. The new owner will now receive an email. Here's the screen of that new email. He has got a link to access the store. Click on Get Started and accept ownership. Here choose the account of the new email and then accept invite. Once accepted, Shopify confirms the transfer. The new user is now the store owner. And that's how you transfer a Shopify store in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Shopify tips.